Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. Today we are going to be looking at the price prediction right here for September for the crypto market. And one of the things we love to see on the channel, for some of the OGs on the channel, is that September is the accumulation month, right? We call this the September trap. Do not fall for the September trap. Now, this is the monthly earnings for the crypto market or Bitcoin basically. And one of the things we could see right here that we had the most red months. This is the monthly earnings for the crypto market in September. The one you would remember the most was 2023, which was last year. For some of you that has been in the crypto market, you would remember that most of the month we were consolidating towards the downside, but we later ended the month in green. And I did a series last year about the September trap, saying that this was the accumulation point, as usually our best month in crypto is usually October, as you can see. So right, you want to be looking for your entries in September as prices are pushing to the downside, as we are about to see astronomical gains in October. So please do not fall for the September trap. Also, according to our model, the R model, we have been saying after each halving you see some little consolidation and then the massive bull run. As you can see, after the second halving, let me just get this right here, after the second halving for Bitcoin in the crypto market, we saw some few months of consolidation, massive bull run. Same thing right here in the third halving in 2020. After we saw the halving, some little months of consolidation, massive bull run. Now we have been expecting right here that after the halving, want to see some few months of consolidation, probably till the end of September, like we said, Q4, and then we are going to see a massive bull run. So expect to get your entries right here in September to see the massive bull run to which we are going to see in this year of 2024, right? So I would be showing you what I'm expecting, the targets I am expecting for your coin in September of 2024 for us to buy in and see that massive target, and also our bull run target for this year 2024 by October to November. Thank you for watching. So hello guys, we're on the chart right here for YFI. YFI versus the USD Theta on the weekly time frame. Binance is the data source, right? So to get our price prediction for the month of September, we are going to be using our Fibonacci price prediction chart, drawing this right here from top to bottom. As you can see, what we are expecting, like we said in the intro, is that we want to see that September trap, which usually happens in September. Sorry, let's draw this correctly. We are going to see that September trap happen in September. So you might see probably prices just continue to consolidate in between these $4,000 level, right? But basically, YFI is still bullish, so we might continue to see this consolidation throughout September in this $4,000 level. But ultimately, we continue to remain bullish, as we could see another massive push in October. Like we said, we are expecting minimum is the $38,000 level, right? So this is the minimum we are expecting right here for YFI in October/November. So this is the point you want to be buying every single dip. So remember, it's a trap, and then we might see a massive push to the upside towards the end of the month stroke going into October, right? So that's the update right here on YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.